So what's up my people, it's your boy speaking here once again with another update. So there's this update that I find and decided to make a video about it because this particular shopping mall is kind of different from the ones that we normally see. So I just see as this one as the one that is gonna last for a little while and it's been lasting for long now. Look at the Dragon channel. The Dragon channel was created by August 13th of this month, and there is one particular thing that made me say, okay, let me try this and let me just do it and also share the video about it. If you scroll a bit, you see that they have an app on their app is on Apple Store and Play Store also. So I'm not using an Apple phone, I'm using an Android phone. So let's go over to their Play Store to see how it works. So if you click on the link of the Play Store, you see that the app is in Play Store and they have already gotten 10k downloads. That means these people are here to stay. So I'm making this video today for you guys to see it and let's know how it works. So let's dive in. For me, I don't normally love to use app, but you can download their app from Play Store and it will be more smoother for you. Using app to run all this kind of project normally makes sense. So what you have to do is to first of all sign up with the link in the description of this video. It will take you over to where you will need to sign up with your email address and your password and your every other password that you need. So once you're done with it, there's no sign up bonus. All you have to do is to go ahead because you'll be in VIP 0. All you have to do is to go ahead and deposit minimum of 10 USDT on your account. So just click on deposit, copy the wallet address, head over to your account. Once you're done depositing, click on recharge complete and your deposit will be after the little review is gonna be credited to your account. So the next thing you have to do is to go ahead and complete the mission of the day. So how do you complete the mission? Scroll up a bit and you will see that you are no more in VIP 0, you are now in VIP 1. So what you have to do is to click on it and you will see one task for the day, which if you click on go to finish, it's gonna load up a bit and then tell you that the order is now completed. So as you can see, the time I'm making this video now, in 1 hour 44 minutes coming, I will complete another task. That means their task resets 5 p.m. Nigerian time. So once you're done with it, go back to your account and then let's talk about withdrawal. So how do you withdraw? It's very simple. Click on home page again and then click on withdrawal. So if you click on withdrawal, it's going to ask you for your USDT wallet address and the amount that you want to withdraw. And I head over to my Binance account, scroll up a bit and make sure that I get TLC20 USDT wallet address. And back to the site, all I have to do now is to enter the wallet address. So once I'm done entering the amount that I need to withdraw, the wallet address and my payment password, all I have to do is to click on this place that says confirm and it's gonna confirm it for me right now. So as you can see, my withdrawal have been approved, and right now let me go back to my account. So let's talk about the VIP while we wait for the withdrawal to be confirmed. So if you go over to the VIP level, you see that they have VIP 1 to VIP 10. So in VIP 1, all you need to have is 10 USDT, and every single day you'll be getting 2 USDT after completing one task. So and that is the VIP that I'm in, and as you can see, it's working for me. It's gonna work for a long time for me. The next one goes for the VIP 2, which is gonna cost you 30 USDT, giving you 4 USDT every single day. Next one is the VIP 3, which is gonna cost you 70 USDT, giving you 10 USDT every day. That means it's gonna take you 7 days to get your capital back, and so on and so forth with the rest of the VIP level. So let me go back to my account and click on this place that says this particular box here is showing me withdrawal, and as you can see, it shows that my withdrawal have been succeeded. And as you can see on my account, the deposit of 2 USDT was completed on my account. So this is how to use this particular platform effectively, smoothly, and make money with it. So you can also make money from inviting your friends. All you have to do is to click on this place that says Steam over here, And so I take you to where you will get your referral link. And as you can see, this is just my first time using this site, and I have not referred anybody to it. So they have 3 levels of referral here, which is level 1, level 2, level 3. So that means you'll be earning from 3 trees of referral. So that is it. I hope you guys got value from this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.